Hey guys, welcome to Tracie's Place. So I have used this combination. I'm using these three things today: hydrogen peroxide, Dawn, and baking soda. I'm going to use it on my chair in my living room that's fabric, like an ivory beige cream color. It's a light color, and y'all, I've had this set for a while, and these two stains have been in for a while, and it has gotten cleaned professionally, and these two stains have not come out. So I dare to use this solution on it today to see if it comes out. So let's go see. So here's the recipe. We have 1 teaspoon of Dawn, and then we have 4 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go in with our baking soda. So that's going to be, open it up here, we'll put 2.5 to 3 tablespoons. Okay, so we're going to stir it up, get it well combined, and let's go get that stain. So I have 2 deep set stains here and here. They have been there forever. I've gotten this set cleaned before, and those 2 spots have not come out. So we're going to get them out today. So I'm going to put my paper towel here just to have, but I'm using the toothbrush as my scrubber. So I'm just getting the solution stirred up here with the toothbrush. I'm using it as a scrubber. And getting it all stirred up so the baking soda will mix well. It was already mixed, but by the time you walk in here, sometimes it settles. Let's get some up on here. And it's running a little bit, but we're gonna give it a good scrub. If you need to put more on, you can, but this looks like it's starting to come up, y'all. I'm gonna keep working it in there. So I have a damp paper towel, and I'm just gonna try to get that excess solution up. And see, I've scrubbed all this circle all the way around the stain, so I'm just gonna dab that up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put some on that little stain there, and I'm gonna let it sit for a while because it's being stubborn. So I'm gonna let it sit and see what that does. Now I'm gonna turn my attention to that stain right there. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-treat this stain, since that other one was a little stubborn. I'm going to pre-treat this one. I'm just going to put that solution on there and let it soak. Okay, it has set for a little while. So let's see what this scrubbing is going to do. So I let it set about 3 to 5 minutes. And you guys, look at that. That stain is gone. I know there's a lot of the residue left, but I don't know if y'all can see that. That stain that was there is gone. So this stuff really, 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 really works. Let me scrub one more time just to make sure it's all gone. I'm going to dampen my paper towel again to get that excess up, and I'll be back. Okay. Wow, wow, wow. I am impressed. So, as you can see, the solution got up the stain, and it had been here for a couple of years, y'all. And this arm of this chair, it had been cleaned professionally. That stain did not come out, but it came out with this solution. Okay, let's work on this stain some more over here. It's been sitting about, I would say, a total of 7 to 8 minutes. Because this is a stubborn stain right here. But it's coming up, y'all. It is coming up. Let that sit a little bit more. Okay, so I have rinsed the toothbrush off. And let's just try to get up a little bit of that excess. Okay. This has water on it. Just a damp paper towel. I'm trying to get up that excess. Y'all, that stain is gone. It is gone. So I'm going to come back after this dries really good, and I'm going to show you what it looks like, because when this dries, it should look like the rest of the chair arm. So it looks like I'm going to have to come back either a few hours later or in the morning. So I'll let you know. When I come back, I'll let you know how much time it has been. All right, guys, so I got tired of waiting for it to dry last night and went to bed. It's the next morning, and the spots are gone. The spots are gone. But these two, I don't know if you can see it. I think you can. The two spots, they're lighter now. It looks worse on camera than it does in person. You really can't tell in person unless you're looking really good. It's almost like I want to clean the whole thing in that solution, but you're not supposed to with this fabric. You're supposed to spot clean stuff, as I understand. So, like I said, in person, you're not going to notice it, but on camera, it's illuminated. But just wanted you to see that the spots are gone. So if you have deep set-in stains on your clothing, I cannot promise every stain, but I can attest that these stains were here for a long time, and my furniture has been professionally cleaned and it did not get the stain out. But this method got the stains out. What I should do, what I recommend that you do, is to just clean the little spot. I went too wide with my circular motions. So just do a tip. Like I had a toothbrush, so get something a little smaller if you can, or just use the tip of a toothbrush and just go in a little circular motion where the stain actually is. But I can attest to this solution, and it worked well. All right, if you try it, let me know, and let me know how it turned out for you. And you all have a good day. Check out some of the other videos on the channel and subscribe to Tracie's Place. All right. Bye.